The knitting mill hub of India faces the 18th Lok Sabha elections with much expectations. At least one person from every family here is connected with the textile industry. Tirupur has over 10,000 garment manufacturing hubs, employing over 6 lakh workers who make hosiery, knitwear, casual wear, and sportswear. But in the recent years, the business graph is facing a downturn.
நான் திருப்பூர் ஒரு லேபராக கட்டிங் மாஸ்டராக இருந்து பெரிய லெவலில் இன்னைக்கு கம்பெனி வச்சு நடத்துறேன். ஆனால் இன்னைக்கு இருக்கக்கூடிய இந்த காலகட்டத்தில் இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு சிறுசா வரக்கூடிய லேபர் இந்த அளவுக்கு வர முடியுமான்னு தெரியல.
Many political parties are promising to improve the export business in this constituency, which has some 15 lakh voters. Like Nandagopal, hundreds of small entrepreneurs who improved their lives with the knitting business in Tirupur are now in distress. Demonetization coupled with GST price of cotton yarn crippled the business in the last decade.
The robust growth of Tirupur happened in the period of 1995 to 2005, where there were no SEZ. That is because we worked in a cluster format. There were several MSMEs who grew alongside Tirupur's growth. This industry grew in a certain pace, where MSMEs also grew in the same magnitude.
Raghunathan indicates that many small-scale industries witnessed a massive fall in their profits in recent years. The fall in Tirupur has also paved the way for export firms to approach textile units in Gujarat and Bangladesh.
Textile, agriculture, pharma, everything is highly unorganized, and that is the beauty of Indian market. On the contrary, government is trying to make it organized, making it more in a capitalized corporate structure. It is not suitable for Indian roots actually.
A big share of voters in this constituency comprise of entrepreneurs, laborers and workers who are completely dependent on knitting mill units for jobs. While BJP has fielded AP Muruganandam, DMK Alliance chose K. Subbarayan from the CPI and Arunachalam from AIADMK are contesting here. CPI leader Subbarayan won the battle last time with a margin of over 90,000 votes against AIADMK's candidate Anandan. While BJP leaders have promised to improve the business landscape in Tirupur, AIADMK and CPI banks on impacts of GST on small-scale industries here.
Subscribe to the Federal's YouTube page for more news and updates.